Hi, Brandon Lewis here of Embedded Computing Design, and we're here at NVIDIA's GTC, the GPU Technology Conference 2019, and I'm at the One Stop Systems booth. I'm here with Jim Ison, who heads up the operations over here. How you doing, Jim?
Doing great.
So one of the things that's really been accelerated since this whole AI revolution has come to fruition is pushing all of that stuff down to the edge. But as we know, a lot of AI was formed in the data center, and that's where it was truly developed, and it's been running on that type of platform. What are some of the complications involved with bringing AI to the edge?
Well, AI in the edge means a lot of things to different people. So there's the small embedded cameras and things like that that most people say that they're doing AI inferencing out at the edge. Where we're trying to do is actually push the training systems, the actual training of what's going on in an aircraft that the military is using, what's going on in a vehicle that's out in the field, what's going on with RF signals that want to be trained and figure out what's the signal that you want to come out with and analyze at the end. So that concept is really trying to bring the high performance commercial products out into the field, so you're not sacrificing the performance and the speed that you would normally see in a data center. You want to get that same performance and speed out in the field.
And obviously, the advantage there is now in the past, when you had to rely on these long latencies and long communication cycles and modeling back in the data center, all of that stuff can now happen really close to where the actual inferencing and the data is coming from, correct?
Yeah, that's correct. And that's where One Stop does specialized high-performance computing equipment. Anything from high-performance embedded computing all the way up to embedded could be a shelter that needs a high-performance flash solution or GPU solution. So here at GTC, a lot of our GPU systems that come out, we can actually put in the field in our AI on the fly concept that we've been pushing the whole time.
So can you explain AI on the fly a little bit more to me? What is that?
So AI on the fly is exactly what we're talking about, is taking AI training solutions and bringing them out to the field, bringing them into the shelter, which could be a large rack type solution, which is behind you there. It could be a rack mount solution that goes into an aircraft that is doing storage or target recognition. And that needs the high performance computing systems that can't be an embedded GPU. It's got to be a full performance GPU that we can put in that kind of environment. All the way down into the embedded high performance embedded computing systems like mobile computers you see behind me here, where we can put GPUs in that and actually do the AI algorithms to do the training and the machine learning out in the field.
Very good. So historically in embedded computing, whatever that is anymore, one of the problems with having GPUs, big powerful GPUs like what NVIDIA offers, is that they're really power consumptive. They require a lot of memory. So what's happening now? What's NVIDIA doing, and how's One Stop working with them to bring some of that capability down to the edge?
Sure. Well, NVIDIA has a whole host of GPUs, from what everybody knows of their 300 and 350 watt GPUs all the way down to 70 watt. The new T4 that NVIDIA released here is a 70 watt GPU. So things that can be put more into an embedded environment. There's the Quadro level GPUs that can do that, and they all run the same AI algorithms. That was something in Jensen's keynote that he put out there, that hey, we have this whole library that can run on all the different platforms from Jetson all the way up through the Teslas.
Very good. And so how's One Stop beyond AI at the edge? Why should somebody come to One Stop to get that sort of performance out on the edge?
Yeah, well, the big piece of that is the specialized high-performance computing. We can give you a perfect fit solution to whatever you're looking for. Whereas you can go to an OEM to buy something that goes into a data center environment, you really usually have environmental concerns, heat, size, weight, power, all those concerns, and that's where One Stop can actually design that perfect fit solution and bring your HP solution right to the edge.
Very good, Jim. Well, thank you very much. If you're interested in learning more, you can visit One Stop Systems at their website, or if you have time and you're here at GTC, stop on by the booth. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.